Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to join the Blox Fruits Discord server. So let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. It can be the web version, desktop, or mobile. Once you're in, head to the left-hand side and tap the plus icon to add a new server. Select Join a Server and type in the invite link. Just enter Blox Fruits and tap Join Server. If the server's full, try again later. After joining, you'll see a welcome message. You'll also be asked a question about notifications. Choose the channel you'd like to receive updates from. Next, head over to the Rules section and take a moment to review them carefully. That's it. You've now successfully joined the Blox Fruits Discord server and can start exploring the channels, chatting with the community, and staying up to date on everything Blox Fruits related. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.